see if I can hit it with a hammer, you guys. All right, we getting somewhere. Let's look at it again, you guys. We almost getting somewhere. So I just gotta trim this down, trim this straight this way. Let me get a marker and mark it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Got a permanent marker, and we're just gonna mark. We're gonna mark. It's not gonna be perfect like this, but at least it'll be somewhat similar. So I'm gonna mark this right here where I need to cut off. I'm thinking it should be somewhere along this line. You can see that. And we're gonna cut off right here. Then we'll bend it. Then we'll bend it, guys. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's see if that works, guys. You got another wheel? Yeah. I'm almost there. See that? It's like supposed to be like this here, so I'm gonna go here and cut from here to here, then bend that straight.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'll find you another wheel.
Okay guys, this is what I got going on so far. Y'all can see that. Go a little closer. So I'm gonna cut here and come up that way. Then I'm gonna bend this straight, put a hole there, and hopefully that'll work. If I screw up, I just have to go back to the junkyard and get another one. I'm just modifying this pedal to fit my car in the Nova. Yeah, it's too long. It's a truck pedal. So I'm cutting it short. I got the instructions right here.
Okay.
So I'm cutting it short so I can put it in my Nova, drive-by-wire.
Cool.
Yeah. Yep.
DIY.
Yep. It's kind of hot. on another cutoff wheel, you guys. Okay, guys. We replaced the wheel. Let's get going. Thanks to LS1 Tech. Y'all can see me doing this here. Alright, I think we're getting somewhere, y'all. I wonder if y'all can see that though. Maybe y'all, hold on. Okay, guys. Let's take it out the vise. This is what we got. This is what we got going on.
Yep. I'm just looking at the spec on what the size this was.
Alright.
I can't see, it's covered up by
This is what we got going on, guys. Let's see. What did I do? Now I have to, I guess, grind it. Straighten this out.
76mm by.
Let's see.
3" by 1/32 by 3/8.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
Okay, how can I bend this thing? Can I just put it in here and just straighten it out?
By 3/8.
Try warming it up a little bit.
Warm it up. All right.
K1, K110 number maybe? Something like that.
There you go. Pretty standard. They're usually all the same almost.
Yeah, exactly. I was just thinking if I could get the whole part number, I could just put the part number search
Into Napa and
into
just
Napa
order
and
however
hit
many
that and
times.
see what comes up. Exactly.
Yeah, I would get the heating torch. I'd warm it up a little bit, and then you can put it in the vise and just straighten it
All
out.
right. You got a small one?
You could use the map gas one. I don't know if that's gonna get hot enough to actually to give you what you want out of it. So I'd probably use the big one. Cause you could try setting in here and just straightening it. But my concern would be that it snap it. So what I would do is I'd set it up like this, heat it, and kind of tighten it all at the same time.
All right. All right, let me go get the torch then.